Hello Hawks! Today I'm going to show you how to create an account and book an appointment at the UHCL Writing Center. The direct link to our booking website is UHCL.mywconline.com. Once you get here, you'll need to click Register for an Account. You'll need to fill out this form in its entirety, starting with your student email address. And your full name, and your student ID number. You'll also need your phone number. Then you'll need to select what school your major is in: School of Business, Human Sciences and Humanities, Science and Engineering, Education, or if you haven't declared a major yet. We also have accounts for alumni, faculty, and staff. Select whether English is your native language, and you'll need to agree to our policies. Next, you'll need to create a password and re-enter it. You'll double check your email preferences and let the computer know that you're not a robot. Then complete registration. It should return to this screen with a green message letting you know that the account was created successfully. Then you can enter your email address, and your new password, and log in. This is what it looks like when you first log in. There's going to be our hours, our contact information, and various instructions on the different types of appointments. You can scroll down to see the schedule. Green and dark blue bars indicate that consultants are not available at that time. And you can tell which consultant is on the schedule by looking on the left. You can see their names. I'm going to scroll down to Monday, where it looks like there's some more availability. Availability is the white blocks. In order to book an appointment, you'll need to click a white box. However, you need to make sure that you have two white boxes next to each other. If you click a white box that's by itself, that's only 30 minutes and the system will not let you make an appointment. It only lets you make hour-long appointments. So I want my appointment to be 9 a.m. on Monday with Aaron H. I'll click the first white box at 9 a.m. and it defaults from 9 to 10 a.m. I can read Aaron's bio and then scroll down to the second box, which is where you select what kind of appointment you want. On Monday, Aaron H. has face-to-face or online appointments. So I want to schedule face-to-face, which means I'll go in person to the Writing Center. Next, you'll need to answer a few questions. Who made the appointment? Well, you did, not our staff. If this is your first time coming to the Writing Center or not. And is this an individual writing task or a group project? Next question asks, what one writing task are you here for? It's very helpful to us if you put the class name here, and then the instructor's name in the next line. You'll also want to put when the task is due. The next two boxes are where the most details will go. What kind of text or document are you working on, with some examples, is where you put the title of the assignment. For example, you could be working on an analytical essay for that class. What kind of help would you like today gives you some examples to choose from. You'll want to be specific here. If you just say everything, meaning you want everything on this list of examples, that's not really helpful to your consultant. The goal of this box is to let your consultant know ahead of time how they can best prepare to help you. If you want transitions, brainstorming, citations, organization, formatting, and assignment clarification, that's like writing the entire essay in 1 hour, which is kind of impossible. So if you're at the beginning stages, you'll want to say brainstorming or organization. Or if you're unsure of what the assignment is asking for, we can help you clarify it. If you're towards the end, we can work on citations or formatting. You'll want to be specific here. The more details you include, the better. We don't mind if you write a whole paragraph explaining why you're coming in. That helps us help you. Lastly, you can attach files. So if you have a rough draft in progress or you want to share the instruction sheet ahead of time, this is a great place to attach it. Lastly, you'll click Create Appointment. The window will refresh and let you know that the appointment was saved successfully. You can close that window and you'll go back to the scheduling screen. Now at 9 a.m. with Aaron H., there's a blue box that indicates your appointment. You should also have an email confirmation in your student email inbox. If you want to add more details, attach a file later on, or just edit what class the appointment was for if you made a mistake, you can click the appointment, scroll down to the bottom, and edit the appointment. You can switch to online and edit any of these boxes that you've already typed in. Then you save changes. Sometimes the schedule randomly refreshes and the consultants' names move around. Just remember to look for a light blue box to find your appointments. If you decide that you need to cancel the appointment, something came up, or you can't make it in after all, or you want to move it to a later time, you'll click the appointment again, scroll down, and click on the big red Cancel Appointment button. You'll have to confirm, and then you can close the window once the message pops up that's been canceled successfully. If you look at the schedule, the name's changed again, but if you find Aaron H., the 9 a.m. slot is now open. I hope this was helpful. If at any point during the process the system gives you trouble, please let us know and we can help you through it. I hope you have a great day, and as always, like and subscribe.